Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to look at macOS tips and tricks, and there's a lot that you have not known if you're a beginner, but if you do know one of these tips and tricks or more, you can leave it in the description or comments. So let's get started. So first of all, the control copy or paste. So this will be useful for note writing. So if I go to text edit, and probably you're a Windows user and you are transitioning to your Mac like I am, and you don't know how to command or control copy and paste. So example, I type in macOS and you want to copy that, and you just click Command C. So before anything we do, I just want to tell that control in Windows is actually command in Mac. So in Mac, the control is a different option actually. So if I go to Command C and then I go to Command V, it will copy and then paste it, just like you will do in Windows operating systems. So that is the first option. Second option is, of course, the quit option. So in Windows, you go Alt and then F4, but in macOS, you go Command and Q. And we're just going to delete that. And actually, I think this is a pretty nice idea, since in Windows it doesn't make sense, like Alt F4. That's like the combination of keys that aren't making sense. But in here, Command Q. Q is for quit, so Command quit. And I think that's pretty makes sense actually. So that's 3 commands already. Third command is some kind of an Easter egg. So we're just going to go back to text edit, and this is my most favorite Easter egg of all. So if you go to Option, Shift and K, you will get an Apple logo. Actually, I think this is pretty nice, since if you're writing a document and like instead of writing Apple Music, like you're going to write everything about it, why not Option Shift K and then music, Apple Music. That's pretty easy actually. Okay, so the next trick is, so you can click Command Control Space to bring up the emoji bar. So you can click emojis. There's a lot and I can't tell them all. And so that's the keyboard shortcuts. Now is the trackpad user gestures, and the user gestures are really important, since now laptops like my MacBook Air 2020 has a force touch trackpad. So instead of pressing double click, you just press like a mouse, click, and to double click, press 2 fingers and touch it on the trackpad. And then if you want to bring up the gadgets bar, actually this is called, I think, notifications, but I like to call it gadgets since it's like the gadgets in iOS. So use 2 fingers and swipe from the very right bar outside the trackpad, and then move into the trackpad and it will appear. To close it, from the left side, go to the right. There. So that is our macOS journey from keyboard shortcuts to trackpads. I hope you enjoyed. See you next time on another episode of Joe Wants to Explore. Thank you.